In this video, we will learn how to use the stata command tabulate to explore categorical variables and binary variables. We will also use the Tabstat command to create custom tables. First, we open the auto.dta. We have learned to use the summarize command in the last video. From the minimum and the maximum values, we know that some variables are categorical. The variable red78 has 5 categories. The variable foreign is a binary or dummy variable. To tabulate the variable red78, we type tabulate red78. Here's the table of red78. We see that it is a categorical variable. There were 5 categories from 1 to 5. We call this table the one-way tabulation, in which only one variable is tabulated. One important option we can use is the nolabel option. We can compare the commands with and without the nolabel option to find which value label is for which actual value. Let's tabulate foreign. We see the value labels, but not the number behind the value label. We type comma nolabel. We now observe that the domestic car is 0 and the foreign cars are coded to 1. We can also use two-way tabulation by simply typing tabulate followed by 2 categorical variables. Now we see a two-way table of frequencies of repair records and foreign state of the cars. It seems that the foreign cars have more repairs. The options column and row allow the two-way tables to show the column percentages and the row percentages. When I use the column option, I observe that 43% of the foreign cars have 5 repair records and only 4% of the domestic cars have 5 repair records. For the one-way or the two-way tables, we can use the option summarize to obtain one-way or two-way tables of summary statistics of another variable. For the one-way table, we type tabulate foreign followed by the option summarize and a variable in the parentheses. Usually, the variables to be tabulated are categorical variables such as foreign and red78, and the variable to be summarized is a continuous variable such as price. It produces the mean of price, the standard deviation of price, and the frequency of observations. Notice that the one-way table with a summarize option is equivalent to what we have learned in the last video, the summarize command with the by prefix. Finally, I want to introduce a powerful stata command which can be used to create custom tables. We type Tabstat followed by the selected variables. The option statistics specifies what statistics are to be shown. For example, we want to know the mean, the standard deviation, the median, the minimum value, the maximum value, and the number of observations of the price, the miles per gallon, the repair records. I usually display the statistics in the columns by typing the option columns statistics. We can change the format of the statistics. If we want to know the statistics about the mean and the count over the variable foreign, we use the option by. On average, foreign cars are more expensive than the domestic cars, and foreign cars are more fuel efficient since they have a higher mile per gallon. But foreign cars have more repair records than domestic cars.